So what's good, YouTube? Welcome to the Luxury family. We about to head out and go get some food. You know, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, to be a part of the Luxury family. So I'm out, hitting the road, trying to go pick up some food, and the streets is covered in snow. The streets are empty. Nobody's out. I'm definitely not used to that. This street normally packed. But we about to head out and see what's open. I know it's not too many things open. Nobody delivering, no DoorDash, no Uber Eats, none of that type of stuff is available. So I have to get out here and try to go see what I can find to eat. So at this point, I'm just gonna try to be safe. I'm gonna try to drive at a decent slow speed so I can make it there, make it back home. With that said, I don't want to be holding the camera too much. So I'll be back at y'all once I make it to where I'm trying to get to. Y'all can see after everywhere I went, I finally found something to eat, and I found some Olive Garden. There was only 2 places open. It was Taco Bueno and Olive Garden. So of course I went with Olive Garden. And as you can see, Chili's and everywhere else is closed. And man, I can't wait to eat this Olive Garden. I feel like I haven't eaten in 2 days. So as you can see, all the shop. This is a shopping center. Everything out here is closed. Everything, the academies, the sports and goods store, the pet smarts, all the food places, everything out here is closed and it's empty. There's really nobody out here. So I got lucky with finding the Olive Garden, and I was the very first customer, so I didn't have to wait on anyone else. And so I really appreciate that. So really can't wait to get home to get this food and just try to be safe, man. For everybody that's out there that's experiencing this, going through the same thing I'm going through, I just pray that y'all be safe. I pray that everything's okay with y'all. And y'all can see the Specs right there. Specs parking lot is full. But y'all that don't know what Specs is, Specs is the liquor store. They open. So I say, everybody, they can't get nothing to eat, but they say, okay, we're going to get something to drink though. But that's what's up though. Salute to Specs. So I'm gonna try to make it to the house so I can dig into this Olive Garden, get back out here on this freeway. And so man, I just pray for everybody that's out there that had to experience this. I see people water pipes busted in their house. I see people house flooding. I see people dying from carbonation. I see people, a lot just going on. So I see a car that's right here stuck, so I'm gonna get off this camera so I can be safe, y'all. And I pray that y'all be safe, and prayers up, and thank for everybody that been praying for us. So I'm gonna get off here. Peace. As y'all can see, I made it to the house, man. I'm very thankful for this Jeep, man. I really love this Jeep, man. This Jeep been getting me there and back in the snow. I haven't had a slide. I haven't had no type of getting stuck. I haven't had any problems, man. I really appreciate getting this Jeep. Man, this Jeep been a blessing, man. I don't know what I would have done if I wouldn't have had this Jeep, because it would have been kind of slippery and sliding riding on them 24s. So I'm gonna get out of here, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all be safe. God bless. One up.